Why are you running and looking tensed?
It's my uncle. My uncle. I don't want him to see you.
You don't want your uncle to see me? But why? I mean, normally, he's supposed to see me now so he can introduce me to him as your future wife.
Yes, that's the right thing to do, but the wrong thing here is that I did not. I mean, tradition demands that I tell my kinsman before I propose. So, I wouldn't want him to see, you know, he introduced me to one girl. Let me explain. Please. He introduced me to one girl that I must marry, and then he's the one who gave me all the connections that made me make money. So
what are you saying in essence?
I want you to leave. Yes, not leave my life and not leave the house. Like, help me. I mean, take me out from this mess. Just go home. I'll tell him about. In fact, I'll come pick you and then we'll go to his house with a bottle of wine so that I can formally do the introduction. Tell him you're my future wife. Please, for love. So, baby, you're doing this for love. Baby. Stop getting angry now. It's all for love. It's all for love.
Now your second name, you go claim to be your guy, but you go run away. If I go,
God, you are so smart.
Fake a promiscuous promise when they come to pass. Mago life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Mago life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Wuru life, oh, I say, you know they pay, oh.
You know the surprise, don't pretend.
You know they pay, oh. Mago life, oh, I say,
Thank
you
you.
know they pay, oh.
Today is a very wonderful day. Just today I got a ring. And another surprise is forthcoming. Hey, thank you.
Boss, baby.
Baby. You want to give me with love. So what is the new surprise?
Well, I'm just tasting my cooking skills if I still have it in place.
Cooking what? Is the cooking the surprise?
Well, wait until you taste it so you find out.
You can cook.
Wait, sit. I'm about to be done.
Ozo the billionaire. Cooking for me. Am I not blessed? Hey, what more should I ask for? God, oh, you know how to bless your people. You know that I cannot suffer in my life. Oh, you know, brought me not just a rich man, but also a man that knows how to take care of a woman in all ramifications. You have to Diego. Okay, so the food won't come.
1 second.
Okay, I shouldn't come.
It's a surprise.
Okay. Hey, nepo aneze biko. Aneze. Anybody le. What about you? I'm waiting.
My friend, what are you still waiting for? Jump into that marriage without thinking it twice.
Somtochukwu, this whole thing is not as easy as it seems. It's not easy. How? Colleagues asked Ginika out first.
But she rejected him. Look, my friend, there is no law that is going to hold you accountable for accepting colleagues because Ginika rejected him.
Somto, you know how this whole thing is now, eh? When this discussion comes up in public, you know how it's going to sound. I will be blamed. You know how this village is now. I just don't want to be a topic anywhere.
Ndidi, you are a sincere person. In fact, you have church mind.
Huh?
Yes.
How?
This is your life we are talking about, your future. And you are still putting it into consideration. See, This is an opportunity some girls take. They will snatch their friend's boyfriend. And you are here, putting into that constitution. See, he was rejected by Ginika, so you don't have to think it twice, my friend. Please.
I understand what you're saying, but you know I don't have that kind of mind. Snatch, jump. No, that's not my life. This is just so difficult for me. I don't even know what to do. I just don't know.
My friend, you have to develop it though. If you know you want to survive, you have to develop it.
So what exactly are you advising me to do?
Accept that guy. Yes, because Ginika has another baba somewhere.
Okay. If you say so, I will just do what you said.
Hey, that's my friend. Maybe I will get her now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my friend. You know, you and your man, so I always accept you. Okay, let me just go and tell you something inside there.
It's alright. I appreciate your time, eh?
Okay, my
Take care of yourself.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
You're really a good cook, I must say. That's if I'm dreaming.
This one is not even sweet, you know. I hurriedly prepared it because of lack of time. If I settle down to cook for you, babe, you'd want me to cook for you every day.
Taught you.
Well, I read it online.
Oh, I don't understand.
Once you go, everything is online. Whatever you want to learn, whatever you want to search for, whatever you need to know, just Google it.
I'm very good though. I'm enjoying it.
Go ahead, enjoy.
That reminds me. $50,000. I told you I was going to get for you.
You were serious?
It took me a lot to save this money. But you know, now that we are one, I don't have to deny you. You can have this one.
Thank you, baby. Baby. Thank you very much.
No problem.
As soon as I get to the city, I'll send you them.
No, you don't need to stress yourself. You are me, I am you. My money is your money, your money is your money. Don't worry. Have that one. Huh? Come on, get the Ruka. The future is pregnant.
Baby, when I change my precipice, Tome.
Don't worry, I know. I'll give you a lot of money.
Thank you.
I am sorry. I know I will live very well. Yeah, it's one channel new.
You like it?
I love it. Open
Wuru life, you know they pay. Promise and fail. Now your second name. You go claim to be your guy, but you go run away. If I go,
You're a betrayer, and I hate you for that.
Your hating me will take nothing out of my body.
What kind of a friend are you?
Figure it out yourself.
For your information, also belongs to me, and there is nothing you can do about it.
Joker.
You know me too well. I don't joke with sensitive issues like this. Wait, so all this while you've been advising me, asking me not to throw myself at him too cheap. It's because you had your eyes on him.
Yes.
You deceived me. You made me fall for your cheap lies. Hey, Bobby, we were friends. We were sisters. How could you do this to me?
You were foolish enough to have fallen for my deceit. We were friends, but you let me dribble you. You don't even have common sense. You can't even think for yourself. Your number 6 is drained. That was why I was able to mess with your mind. I love Oza so much. And he loves me right back.
You know, if I had known you were this evil, I would have followed my heart.
And I'm glad. Honestly, I am super glad you did not follow your heart. That's why you are so foolish. So foolish. Useless girl, very stupid, that is what you are. You allowed your fellow friend, your fellow young girl to dribble you. What are you? Ewu meh. Or Ivewo. Enoria. Listen, let me tell you. That alone gladdens my heart super well. There is nothing, absolutely nothing you can do about it.
If I had known your evil intentions, I would have followed my heart.
I'm glad. That is the point. I am glad you were not smart enough to have noticed. Because if you were smart, you would have noticed that Ebube is up to something. But you were so freaking dumb. You don't know nothing. You know what? Barauga JJ. Barau. I dribbled you. How could you let me dribble you like that? I dribbled you. Get the hell out of my way so that I can dribble others.
And if I can't have him, not even you or anyone will.
I'm shaking, I'm shivering. You are dumb. You are so dumb that you can't even see that I already have him out to myself. I said I dribbled you from A to Z. Listen, Ozo came to me. I did not go to him. He came. He enjoyed me and I enjoyed everything you've ever wanted from him. And guess what? My pot of honey and the milk was so yummy that he's crazy about me. Deal with that imbecile. And learn to act, not to make noise.
Shameless fool! That is what you are!
I've told you, Collins is the last person I want to talk about.
Ginika, please.
No.
Please give me this last opportunity. Let me talk to you about him. Please, I'm begging you. Please. I'm begging you, please.
Alright, but just know that my answer remains the same.
He proposed to me.
What?
Yes.
Oh, come on, don't be shy about that. Look, I'm happy for you. I do not love Collins and I will never love him, okay? Besides, also just proposed to me as well. Yes, look at that. 21st century bling bling.
Wow.
So go ahead and marry him if you want. I mean,
Is that from
I'm
your
happy.
heart?
Yes, come on. It's from my heart. I'm so happy for you.
Like, wait,
Wow.
wait, see, you're not going to feel bad at all?
Why would I feel bad? I don't love this guy. If you love him, go ahead.
Thank you.
Oh
Thank you
my
for your
goodness.
Come here.
Oh my goodness.
So you're getting married?
You are getting married.
are got
I
to
told
marry.
you that was all.
Ah, finally your dream.
Bling bling.
That your dream is coming.
Where are you coming from?
Ma,
Answer me, where are you coming from?
I went to see Somto.
You dare lie to me.
Ma, stop, you're hurting me.
And I'll squeeze the life out of you if you dare lie to me again. Where are you coming from?
I went to see a friend, please stop.
Male or female?
Male.
Gosh. My suspicions are confirmed. Why are you doing this to us? Answer me! Why are you doing this to us?
It's not what you think, Ma.
I guess he slept with you, right?
What? Not at all. Ima, you know I'm not that loose now, eh? I only went to see him for business purposes, not the way you think.
Ebube, I've known you to be a perfect liar.
Me?
Yes, you! Now listen. Listen and listen very carefully. If I ever hear that you've gone to see him again, believe me, I will kill him and implicate you. Think about that.
Who told him? How did he get to know? Kill? He will kill him. Guys, that was choked me to death.
I am here to warn you. Tell your daughter to stop insulting me. If she ever repeats what she did today, Makachi, I'll beat her black and blue. I'm telling you now.
Then you rot in jail. You should lay that your go-go hands, that your stinking hands on my daughter, and make sure you die in jail.
Well, thank God I've said what I came to say. Tell her to stop insulting me or else.
Or else, what will happen? Okay. What will you do? I had wished I had done something worse than that insult. That would have made me so happy, because that would have nearly killed you.
So you are the one encouraging her to insult me, right?
I wish I had done worse. I wish I had done more than insult. That would have made me so happy. What is that?
See, you are the worst mother I've ever seen in my life. Seriously, just take a look at you.
You just insulted me. Do you know you just insulted me? I will not take it. I won't take it from you. What is that? It does not go on in one uche. So
that's the truth. Why will you support evil? Why will you encourage her to insult me? You are supporting evil.
Leave my house.
And if I refuse to leave, what will you do? Can you get me? What will you do?
I swear to God that made me. If you don't leave now, I will bet you with acid and nothing will happen.
Bet me with acid?
Yes.
Let's just look at you, evil woman.
You beat me.
Okay, if I refuse to go, what will you do?
Wait now! Why are you shouting? Wait and see what will happen to you.
Evil woman.
Where are you going now? Come and stay! Come and stay! Rubbish! Rubbish in my house. You're so frustrated. Touch her! Touch her! You will do everything, you will not do anything. When you get me, if you go, you didn't make in the afternoon. Looking for who to rape. Idiot. So can't look for your level. You don't have something to eat. If you had something to eat, you won't come in the afternoon to come and look for a woman. You should be in your office or your marketplace working. If you're going to go. Adaka. Where are you coming from? Why are you this excited?
Mama.
You will jackpot.
See, Mama, look at. See, Mama, this says it all. Ozo has proven you and everybody else wrong.
He engaged you.
Yes, Mama.
And you accepted.
Yes.
Also engaged you.
Mama, look at it now. Look at my ring. Blink, blink.
That's what they call it. I told you, Mama. I told you. I am not convinced. Yes, because giving you a ring, anybody can give anybody the engagement ring. I am convinced right inside me that that boy is not real. I don't know. I don't know. Right inside me, I'm not convinced that that boy has good intention. Mama, you have been talking since how many months now that he doesn't want to do the right thing. He doesn't want to do the right thing. See now he has done it. You're still doubting him. So Mama, let me tell you, like I always tell you, this is the 21st century. These days there are some men that just want to wait, take their time and watch the woman that they are seeing to see if she will be the right wife for him. To see if she has good home training. And Mama, you taught me well. Mama, you taught Kinika well, and I've shown him.
Paul, I wasn't expecting you. I hope there is no problem.
Zema, there is no problem. There is absolutely no problem.
So what brings you here?
So you are my very good friend. I've stayed in this village for a very long time. I want to go to the city. I want to go and hustle like you. I want to make money.
Honestly, Paul, if I didn't know you better, I would have said you're a comedian. Why are you talking like this?
Also, I am very serious. I can do anything and everything. Just connect me. Show me 1 or 2 buttons to press. I'm very serious. Please look at me now. I like your doings. I like your parole. I like the way you take the road for this village. Just show me. I'm very serious.
You're serious?
Very, very serious.
It's not a child's play. Are you serious?
I'm very serious. Very, very serious.
I will hook you up.
You see?
I said, I'll hook you up.
You hook me up.
I'll hook you up.
Hey, now you're talking. After this, we'll be running tests in this village. Hey, you hook me up.
I'll hook you right up.
Hey, I'm going.
Yes.
Agabagomdia.
We move.
We move. So, there's another thing. The chieftaincy title of Ake Uchionwa of this community is up for grabs.
I think I'm interested.
Then go for it.
What are the requirements?
Well, firstly, you have to be a well-to-do son of the soil, which you already are.
You already know.
Secondly, you just march to the palace and tell the Igwe your intentions, and he will give you the chieftaincy title. Ake Uchionwa. And kisses.
In that case, first thing tomorrow I'll be at the palace.
That's very good. There is another thing you need to know. There are others. Well-to-do sons of this soil. They are also interested in this particular chieftaincy title.
How many of them?
I know about 2.
Names?
Eze and Christ. Oh, they are very much interested.
Paul. Also, Eze, Chris. You're not my mate in terms of strength, neither are they my mate cash-wise.
Like that one. Well, you need to prepare. You need to prepare very well. This thing, it has led to an open confrontation between the 2 of them. So you have to prepare so that they will not take you unawares.
I am capable.
I know you are capable. Please consider the thing. Ake Uchionwa, one of this community. And the other one that we talked about before. About connecting me.
I'll hook you up.
Okay,
now that you have given me another information, twice hook up.
Hey! The boss! The boss!
Today, You be servant boy. When your master no day, you go be oga. Fake life, oh, you know the pay, oh.
Okay. No. 20 bags of cement. That's what you brought to me. Yes, 20 bags. The backyard fence. They are done with that one already. It's just the front gate. That side they're doing. No, the project is going well, sir. Okay, you're coming in next week. Okay, no problem. All right. I'm even going to the site now before you call. Okay. All right, thank you, sir. Okay. Send it now. Send it to that account. All right, thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Hi, Ndidi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine too. Call inside.
Eh?
I've really thought about your proposal, so I'm here to say yes.
Yes? Yes? You say yes? This is the best news I've had all year. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Hi! Hey, God, thank you.
I'm sorry I delayed the proposal.
It's okay.
I just wanted to be sure I'm not encroaching in another person's relationship.
No, you're not at all. I'm not that kind of man. You see me, Collins, I am one man, one woman. I don't have that time. Thank you very much. You've made me the happiest man in this village.
Really?
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I was actually going to my brother's site, but you know what? This calls for celebration. Yeah? Come with me. Come.
Mama, please don't tell me to calm down. I don't understand. Oh, that guy should count himself lucky that I was not here when he came here. I would have battered him with hot water. Is he a madman?
Don't worry. Bianca, don't worry about him. As usual, I put him where he belonged. I put him in his place.
But I'm just saying, it is the audacity for me, for him to have come here to talk nonsense. Is he mad?
It's okay.
In fact, he's a fool.
Compound fool for that matter. Nepute fool. What a fool. Can you see how he was messing himself up around here?
Mama, I'm coming.
Where are you going?
I need to go to his house and warn him. I need to warn him. You shouldn't try this nonsense again in this house.
There's no need for that.
But there is need for you though. Man, there is need for you. If you don't talk to that boy, one day he will just hijack me and just kidnap me.
Bianca, trust me, there is no need for that.
Mama, I said there is need for that though. If you say I should sit down, I will sit. But just know that something has to be done about this man.
Just tell me how it went. How did it go between you two?
She can't yourself lucky that I was not here. Idiot. Anyway, we went well. He was happy. I made food for him. He enjoyed it. He even gave you a lot of accolade for teaching me well.
Hey! That means I taught you well.
Before?
She buy me a wrapper, at least appreciate me.
Mama, rapper is jello can no. I am going to give, the kind of gift I'll give to you, all the women in this village will be jealous of you.
Oh my goodness.
Don't worry. Let me relax. I don't want to be asking my husband for money too much, so you will not think I'm too materialistic. But when I enter, I'll hit him. I'll hit him. Don't worry yourself, ma.
That means, as it is now, we have to start planning for your traditional marriage.
Zubo. There's nothing to wait for. There's nothing to wait, but Mama, what is it? Ozugbo. But there's something I want to do inside. I'm coming. If you're still here, I'm coming.
Where now? So I'm a good mother. Hey! This is DJ gonna praise. And it's not how I'm
Oh, yele. Mago life, you know they pay. Mago life, you know they pay. Wuru life, I say, you know they pay. Wuru life, you know they pay. Mago life for us say in order.
Hello?
Hello, baby.
Hey, beautiful. How are you?
I'm fine. Just missing you. How are you?
Well, I'm fine. It's just that I miss you.
You do too? Okay. Since you miss me as much as I do, let me come to the house and make your day worth it. What do you think?
Yes, but I don't think it will be now. I have somewhere important I need to go, and maybe I'll let you know when I come back.
Okay, you know what? Once I drop this call, I will be on my way to your abode. Is that okay?
Oh, certainly I'll call you.
My love, why? Okay, that means I will see you later, right?
I love you.
I love you so much, so much with all of my heart.
Alright, bye.
Okay, bye.
Today, you be servant boy. When your master no day, you go be oga. Fake life, oh, he know the pay, oh. He go carry you up, we go knock you for grand, oh. Mago life, oh, he know the pay, oh. Mago life, oh, he know the pay, oh. Wuru life, oh, I say, he know the pay, oh. Wuru life, oh, he know the pay, oh. Mago life, oh, I say, he know the pay, oh. Mago life, oh, he know the pay, oh. Corner life, oh, I say, he know the pay, oh, but Wuru life, he know the pay, oh. Promise and faith.
You kept me waiting.
I was busy at home. I even had to leave what I was doing just to come and see you.
Okay, but I hope I didn't disturb your activities at home.
You actually did, but it's fine.
I'm sorry.
It's alright. So, why did you call me out? And why have you chosen for us to discuss here?
You know the word they said have ears.
Ah.
Mm.
So what do you want to talk about?
It's about your man also.
What about him?
My friend Ibube has decided to take your man. In fact, she has won him already.
How do you mean?
Ibube has vowed by all means to take your man from you. And as we speak, he has embarked on a journey already.
She wouldn't dare.
Like I said, she has already won his heart. And as a matter of time, you will soon lose your relationship.
Oh my god, this girl is so funny. As a matter of fact, I was doing this my relationship. How? I don't get it.
Bianca, this is not a laughing matter.
It is a laughing matter. And I will continue to laugh because it's funny. Hey, God. Who will take my man?
Bianca, you have to believe me.
Believe you?
Yes.
Give me one reason why I should believe.
Because Ebube is my friend and I was there when she made the decision to take your man.
What stupid decision? Who is the Ebube? That dirty village girl? Take whose man? Listen, if you want me to believe you, give me proof. Provide evidence that that thing goes around with my man, then I will believe you. Not just come and tell me that, look at what my man does and you expect me to just concur.
Bianca, that means you don't know how low men can go when something under the skirt is involved.
Not a woman like Ebube. Not that dirty girl like Ebube. Hey, Biko! Features you understand Ikuro.
Bianca, believe me. Anyway,
I shall be waiting for your evidence. When you provide it, I will listen to you. If not, even in Akena Kajaja, you're not talking to me. I'm not listening to it.
Okay then, I'll provide the evidence.
Very well then. I shall be waiting for the evidence.
Okay, I should leave you now.
You have to. This is not your house, neither is it mine either. I will also leave. So leave first.
You are looking so beautiful
You
now.
can say that again.
So, what are you doing around here?
I went to see my auntie, so I'm on my way going to the house.
She stays around here.
What about you? You look good. What's going on?
Well, a lot of things change, from nothing, then we are something now. So, I'm a CEO to a lot of companies now, and, business is moving just fine. How about you? What are you doing?
After our secondary school, I traveled to the north where I did my university education.
Ah,
Yeah.
to the north.
Yes.
No wonder you are not.
You can say that. You're looking so... you've changed.
That's why I said from nothing to something.
Wow, I'm so happy for
Good
you.
to see you.
Good to see you.
So, 1 second, please. Here's my card.
Your friends? Hi.
My boys actually. That's my card. Call me anytime. Anytime. In case you need anything, do not hesitate to call me.
Sure, I will.
So you'll call me, right?
Alright.
Alright, I'll see you.
Bye.
Once again, you look astonishing.
Thank you.
Things grew.
You're making me to blush.
Oh, please don't. I'll call you.
Alright. Bye-bye.
Oh, yele. Oh, yele. Ooh. Mago life, oh, they pay, oh. Mago life, oh, they pay, oh.
He has really changed. He looks big now. I'll make sure I call him so that we'll reconnect again. I've missed him. My love those years.
Mago life, oh, they pay, oh.
Long live the king.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, Your Highness. Your Highness, I heard that the chieftaincy title of Ake Uchioma is open for grab.
Do you have anyone, a son of the soil, that is interested in it?
Of course, Your Highness.
Oh, then sit down.
Thank you. My king, it will be a thing of joy for us to give this chieftaincy title to somebody that is well-to-do, an indigenous son of the soil. I'm talking about an indigenous son, somebody that is doing very, very well for himself. His handwork tells. Somebody that has the interest of this community at heart. He has done a lot for we the youth. We call him a name that makes us happy. He is somebody that we know that we all in this community will benefit from. My king, it will interest everybody in this community if we give this chieftaincy title to him.
And who is this person you're talking about?
My king, I am talking about Ozo, the son of late Mazimado. He is doing very well in the city. He does export and import. He is into real estate. He also does money changing. My king, he does a lot of things. I am very sure that we are going to tap from his riches.
Okay. Well, I would like to meet him. Maybe he might not even be interested in the title.
No, my king. I have discussed with him one-on-one, and he showed interest. Yes, very much interested.
Okay. Bring him to me next Eke Market Day.
Hi. My king, there is a problem there. This person I'm talking about always comes and goes. Whenever he comes into this village, he is always on call. Governors calling him, senators calling him, business partners calling. For me to get him to come here, just as you said, at that specific time, might give us a little bit issue. But I will try. I will try and talk to him. He's a very busy. He flies out and fly in. But I will try. I will try and talk to him for him to make out time. But it might not be that specific time. Please.
Well, very well done. It's okay. It's okay. You may leave.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
What about it?
Somebody told me something about Ozo and he's been paining me since.
What did the person tell you?
That my Ozo has other women.
What?
Yes.
Is it true? Did you make any confirmation or something?
I haven't verified it yet, but Mama, I'm so pained. Yeah, I'm angry.
It's okay. So who gave you the information?
It's Somto.
Somto what? Hey, and you believe her? Don't you think she's trying to ruin the good relationship you have with Ozo and probably move in?
But Mommy, she sounded so certain.
Did she give you any evidence?
She hasn't provided any evidence. So.
Good. Wait until she provides an evidence. Until then, do not believe her.
Although I didn't believe her in her presence, so I told her it was a lie. But I'm human.
Yeah.
It's getting to me.
No, it shouldn't get to you. Eh? Chero, is it because of a minor gossip? When you know girls of these days, what they're capable of doing. Go and get me a knife. Let me eat this orange.
Don't come too alone. What is it? It's not good.
Don't you know that girls are so jealous?
Now that I have you exactly the way I want, let's talk.
Who are you?
My identity means nothing to you.
Then I have no business with you.
If you touch that wood, you're dead.
Any problem? I'm talking to you.
Nah. I would advise you go back to the car and lock yourself there.
I am not talking to you, Mr. Man.
Go back to the car, baby.
Alright, if you say so.
Can we talk as brothers?
Brothers? Look at me. Look at my face. Do I look like a brother to you?
What is it that you and I cannot solve?
Sure. We can solve it. That's exactly why I'm here. Now listen. Stay away from my woman. Stay away from my woman. Else, you will not live to see the next day.
All this is all because of a woman. Who is this woman you speak of?
This is indeed a stupid question for a man like you that have so many girlfriends around him. If you must know, Ebube is my woman. Stay away from her. Stay away from her.
I'm afraid when all this will burst, I hope it doesn't happen in my presence.
My brother, this will be very, very dangerous. Do you know that all these girls can go extra mile to get vengeance?
What baffles me is how he manages to keep all these girls from clashing with one another.
Don't you know that Ozo is a very big liar? Ozo is a very big liar. That man is a liar.
Why did you say that?
Don't you see that everything that is happening now is on a mirage level? Even the good money that comes out from his mouth is a lie.
My guy, you're very wicked with words.
But I'm trying to tell you so now. When these things go happen now, my brother, I go jump these gates, find my way.
I will follow you for back home.
I know.
I know they watch first you jump out more.
They watch now. Gate.
You still have not told me who that guy is and what he wants from you.
Oh, baby, I've asked you to forget about that guy.
Alright, if you say so.
Overota! Tatanus! Stop whispering to me. I will hear you. If you like whisper, I will hear you. You like do sign language, you will. My man! Obaka the Great. Obaka the Great. Obaka the Great. Tatanus! Tawafa! Why I hope he serviced you well. What number are you? Are you number 25 or 27? But you look like 26. You the Koya Tataros from.
Hey, what is he talking about?
You're going to be paying attention to a drunk. Can't you see he's
He doesn't know what I'm talking about.
You're right. Just learn.
Baka, excuse us. We have something important to discuss.
I mean, do I have something important I'm telling you people? Eh? This man here. This man is firebrand. The engine around his waist is never tired of digging and piercing, and he does it with very, very strong passion. He keeps count. Oh yeah,
I still can't make out anything from what this guy is talking about.
Are you hoping to make out something that is coming from the mouth of a drunk?
And where? Hey, over there. girls are going in car. Hey! Everywhere! Everywhere! Bye, baby. Yes, bye, baby. Come again. Everywhere. Everywhere. It has not gotten to you holding my neck.
What have I done wrong to you? What have I done to you? Why are you bent on embarrassing me? Why?
Everywhere. I'm not embarrassing you. I'm just saying the truth. I'm preaching the gospel truth. Everybody knows it already, sir. But it's like some people have ears, but they cannot hear.
Are you just going to listen to me? This embarrassment has to stop. Everyone, give me back.
What is this thing? Leave me alone. Everyone, if you want to beat me, you beat me. I will talk the truth. It will tata news. What is this thing? Every time you're sleeping with women, this your manhood that is popular now in this village. Okay, behavior. You're giving me time. Beat me. I will talk the truth all the time. Oh boy. Oh boy, you know how to met my spirit. You know how to met my spirit.
Embarrassing me.
Hey! One tower. I want to ask, this woman is like they are the one paying you because every time you are with money, it's like these women you are sleeping with, they are the one paying you. Are you doing hookup? Because every time you are with money, it explains a lot too. Do not hook up again. Everywhere! Tata knows. This is the most popular manhood in this village. Most popular! How do you get these girls? I'm not teaching what is there a tree that you go to pluck them? Every time I'm seeing you with a new girl, how many girls are even in this village? Everywhere is sleeping with more girls than even the ones that are in the village. Everywhere. Don't jam me, or if you jam me, I will not sleep with you. Hey! I will have money.
Hey! Where did this guy go now? Today makes it the third day I'm coming to this place, and this shop is always locked. Ha! What is the meaning of this? Or does it mean that he has closed down his business? And he has been refusing to pick my call. Which kind of nonsense is all this one? Let me try his number again. Maybe he'll pick this time. It's not picking. Okay, I will check back. What kind of nonsense is this?
What is the meaning of this nonsense now? Why are you standing in my way?
Also, he's not around.
I don't understand. He's not around, and so what? Oh, you don't know that I'm his wife-to-be? He gave me this ring. I'm sure you're aware of it. Let me go inside and wait for my husband-to-be.
He said nobody should be allowed inside the house.
He left a huge amount of money inside the house.
And so what? Am I a thief? Do I look like one? I'm definitely not going to take my husband's money. I will keep it safe for us. So let me just go inside.
Sorry, madam. We'll not let you in.
You will not let me in. You said also he's in... You said also he's not at home.
So what did your people say?
They said you can choose anytime you want and fix the date. It's your choice.
So what do you think will come conducive for your people?
It's in your hands.
No. I want it to be anytime your father chooses.
I want him to be in charge.
But my father is always there. So, if you just give him your date, it won't take him a day to gather his kinsmen.
Will last Friday of this month be okay?
That should be like 3 weeks from now.
Yes, 3 weeks from now. 3 weeks from now.
That's okay. There's no problem. I will communicate with them then.
It's good. Cheers. Let me come out.
Mom! Yeah! Mom! Yeah!
Can you stop?
No, I won't stop.
Babe, you are the smoothest. You are sweet. You are smooth.
My love, I can't even look into your eyes to say this. When you say that, it makes me feel somehow. And
Tell me, how does it make you feel?
Wakens me like it melts the whole of me. Yeah.
I'm so emotional right now. Oh yeah. Baby, you are luscious. You are sumptuous. You are delicious.
You are a bad guy. And you know.
Of course I know.
Yeah.
Of course I know. So.
So what?
When will I see you again?
When?
Yes.
Of course, anytime, any day, anywhere.
Wait a minute. You mean you were just one phone call away?
Yes. Just one phone call away.
And then you'll be right here.
Boom, I'm here.
Hey, Zozo! Zozo, come out here! Hey, Zozo! Come out here! Come out here, Zozo! Where's Zozo? Where's this man? What do you want?
It's like I'm in the wrong place. No, you're in the right place. Why the noise?
My man. One more step towards him, I'll break your legs.
What if you?
I came to hail you.
You came to help me.
Yes.
That's what? Hail Mary, full of grace. That's what. Is this why you are here? To help me?
I learned that you are in town, so I decided to stop over to greet you. Hey!
I don't want trouble. But when you say you want trouble, no problem. Get out.
Huh? Get out!
Thank you. Thank you.
Boss! Boss!
Bia?
Who is Bia?
Are you deaf?
You're the deaf
I am
one.
talking to you. Where are you coming from?
What sort
of
question is that?
You're the one who has gone raving mad. Where are you coming from?
And I said, what sort of useless question is that? Mbalele too. This was exactly the slippers I saw in my man's house.
Okay.
And what did you go to my man's house to do?
Who is your man?
You should be shameless to ask me such a stupid question. My man is Ozo. He has gotten me engaged, as you can see. What were you doing there? You are the shameless one! He's not even attracted to you. He doesn't even value you.
Shut up. You don't want to stay away from him? I know what to do.
You cannot do anything, Bianca. Stop stressing yourself. There is nothing you can do. A village retard girl that took your man away from you. Shameless thing.
Some people said it, but I never believed her. What is that? I went to my man's house, Ozo's house, and they refused me access into his house. What? The security man, I was wondering why. I said, allow me to enter my man's house. He refused. But before I left, I saw one slippers on the floor. And it's a female slippers. I took notice of that, but I didn't want to talk too much. So when I left the house, I saw Ebube on the way. Wearing same slippers, Mama. What? Yes! I had to ask her, where did you get the slippers from? Because I saw the slippers right in front of my man's house. She said, who is my man? That Ozo belongs to her. That if Ozo is dating me, that she does not even know that Ozo is her man, Ebube. I am telling you, Mama, oh. Mama Eborugo, Mama, I strongly believe that that girl must have used something on Ozo. Why would Ozo descend so low? To the extent of that dirty village girl. That is what I'm saying. Ebube of that matter. That is what I'm saying. That girl must have used something on him. It's not normal. No, something like what? Juju, no. She must have used juju on him. Bianca, you know I don't believe in stuff like that. Mama, it's real, oh. Things like this happen. It's real. Look, okay, Mama, just look at me and look at Ebube. It's okay. It's okay, just don't worry yourself, okay? I cannot take this, I cannot take this. She was even busy telling me that Ozo is my man. I can't fathom it. It's okay. Hey! I will handle it myself. Mama, you have to handle it fast. I will handle the situation. Whatever it is, it has to be very fast because I know all of them want my man, but they cannot have him. It's okay. I cannot have him. Just go and eat. Eat, Ikwa. Mama, I'm telling you about my relationship. You don't die of hunger. I will handle it my way. I don't have appetite. If you want to do any, leave this family. You're not even family. Let's go. So you can, whatever you want to do for me, do it. I was trying to handle these changes that are coming out. Mama, don't worry. Now you have people that farm for you. Call them, let them come and do the farming. Oh, Mama. It will be hard to mind to tell me to my face that Ozo is my man. Mama, that girl ain't work. Mama, I knew something was wrong. But the fact they denied me access into his house for the very first time. Why? Why would it be so? Don't worry. That means they have skeleton in their cupboard. Don't. Whatever is the skeleton. What do you do skeleton? You crush skeleton. Yes. You don't worry yourself. I'll handle it. Mama, that girl used juju. That girl used juju. Is she funner than me? Eh? Can you come away? She used juju.
Ozo, or whatsoever you call yourself. Why have you decided to die because of a woman?
You are making a mistake, bro. Withdraw that gun and leave.
One more word from you and you're dead. Go on. Talk. Fool. I asked you a question before he rudely interrupted. Talk to me.
How much did you want? So I give it to you and you get yourself out of my compound.
God punish you. How much do you think you have? Now listen. Leave my woman alone. I will not warn you again. Leave my woman alone. Leave my woman alone. I will not warn you again.
How did he find this place?
I don't know, boss.
How did he know the girl was here? brother, I've thought about that. This village is no longer safe for us again.
This village is no longer safe for us again.
My brother, it's no longer safe. It's no longer safe.
Ichiobi. I called you to talk with you alone. Because you know you're my right-hand man. And my confidant. You know that young man. That young man I told you that came. Yes. And expressed interest in the Ake Uchoma chieftaincy title. He came back again. And he told me what he is planning to do for this community with or without the title. He said he's planning to tar all the roads. But in fact, they have taken measurements and he said 22 roads. I said, And not only that, he said it's going to ensure that each road has street lights. I was looking. I didn't know what to say. And then he turned and looked at my palace up and down. He said, no, Igwe, you cannot continue to live in this palace. He said he's going to break this palace down and rebuild it to a modern palace.
Wow!
Befitting of my kingship.
Oh, yes!
Yay! Nande Kirikwe. You know, with the expensive drinks he brought, I was just looking. Then he turned around and said, for any of the chiefs on the chair that will support his ambition, that he's going to gift each and every one of you one Prado Jeep.
Oh!
Brand new.
Wonderful.
Will it happen in my lifetime?
Okay.
And then he said, for you, because I told him how close you are to me, that you are the only one that can oppose me. He said, oh, he's going to break down your house. He knows you. He said he's going to break down your house and build you a mansion.
Hey.
I am telling you. Now turned around and said, a day after his installation as the Ake Uchioma of this kingdom, he is going to take all the elders and myself for a 1 week, all expenses paid trip to Dubai.
Wow!
Iche Igefe plane.
Wow! Wow!
Iche Igefe plane. Yes. You will fly. You will go by plane to Dubai. Well, I was excited. I won't lie to you. I was excited.
I can't wait.
But let me tell you the one he said. The one he said that shattered my brain. He said he is going to put ATM machine inside this palace so that I don't need to send people out to go and do transactions for me. That the machine will be stocked with money. All I need to do is to mention also billionaire 1 million and 1 million will come out.
Wow!
Also billionaire 2 million and 2 million will come out. He said that is the kind of machine he has in his house. said this one would not allow me to sleep at night. Will it happen in my lifetime? Pray for me so that I will live long, so that all these things will be happening in my presence.
Yes.
I need your support. We cannot afford to miss this.
Your Highness, you have my support. You have said it all. You have my support, 100%. Imagine someone who promised to buy me a brand new Brado chip I never dreamt of.
Brand new.
Brand new. And upon it, pull down my old house and put up a mansion.
He told me.
Me? In this life, 100%. Let's give it to him. He is more qualified than all these noisemakers.
Oh.
So, express. Let's give it to him.
I just looked at the young man, full of blood, and
yes.
I said that he's more qualified than these two idiots that fight themselves. One selling cement, the other one selling aluminium, and they think they have money.
Igwe, you have said it all.
Support me.
You have my support.
I'm happy you understand me.
Well done, no. Bianca, this one you came to the farm. I hope all is well.
All is not well. All is not well. What happened? Your daughter, Ebube, is standing on my way of success. For me not to succeed. What did she do? Tell her to stay away from Ozo. Ozo rightfully belongs to my daughter Bianca. And at this point of the relationship, he does not need any form of distraction from anybody, let alone from Ebube. Biko, I don't understand. I don't expect you to understand. But when you get home and tell her that I said she should stay away, she will understand. Because she knows better. Have a nice day. Hey! Tell my daughter to stay away from Ozo. Your daughter, Ebube, to stay away. She's standing against your success. She sounds so desperate. Huh. Let it not be what I'm thinking.
Babe, I swear with everything I hold sacred, I have nothing to do with it.
That's a fat lie. So what was she doing here yesterday?
Oh, goodness. She was never here.
She was. I saw her slippers.
Baby, I love you so much to cheat on you. I can't do such a thing.
So why did your guards, your bodyguards, deny me access into your house yesterday?
They felt I'll be angry if you disturb the...
Disturb what? Am I not your wife to be?
Baby, I was on a phone call with the governor and the senator. It's a crucial matter. We were on conference call. We're trying to sort out a particular problem.
But you need to talk to these people to respect me. I am your woman. You don't engage me. Very soon now we'll go marry. They should know that and respect me. Not when I come here, they'll just start, you're not going anywhere. That's a total disrespect to a woman that you want to make your wife. I don't like you too. But what will happen?
Alright, I'm sorry. That won't happen again.
You sure? And you're telling me that girl did not come here?
She did not come here.
Forgive you. I believe you.
So I'll be going back to the city this evening.
You're going back?
Mm-hmm.
You come back now. I miss you.
I'll miss you too. I won't be long because I'll be missing you. I know this same time I'll be right here with you. Always with you.
Don't do that. I'm not joking.
Well, I'm not joking as well. I wouldn't want to miss you, so I'll come back in no distant time.
You a clown. I love you. Okay.
Alright, baby, let me just drop you home before going back.
Mama, sorry for keeping you waiting, Mama, Ndaivo.
Ebube.
Mama, what is it?
Ebube, Ulako. Bianca's mother was here.
Why was she here, Mama?
She came to warn you. She told me that you should stay away from Ozo. Ebube Chukwu, if I may ask, who is this Ozo?
Mama, Ozo is the billionaire that I told you wants to get married to me.
But she said that the same Ozo wants to marry her daughter.
It's a lie, Mama. Ozo met me first and has proposed to marry me. So whatever it is that Bianca and her mother is doing, they are wasting their precious time because I am not ready to let him go.
Ebube.
Mama.
Seriously?
Seriously, Mama. Mama, see, Ozo is very rich. He has so much money that he can elevate us out of this poverty. Mama, he loves me so much that makes it easy and simple for me. So why will I now let him go? Because of Bianca and Genika?
Ebube.
Mama.
They will not and will never take Ozo away from you.
Ozo
will marry you. What I need now is a son-in-law, rich one, who will be able to take away this poverty from us.
And a son-in-law, a billionaire son-in-law you have at your disposal already, Mama. He is mine and mine alone. There is nothing anybody can do about that. Relax. Ozo is mine, Mama. Or any other person that is rolling around him. Anything that will happen, let it happen.
My daughter.
Ozo is mine.
My daughter.
Mama.
Nothing will even happen.
Oh,
Ozo must marry you. Hey. Is this the reason why she's bragging? You are standing on her way to success.
They are scared because they know Ozo loves me more. Bianca is just forcing herself on him. Hey! See, Mama, let me give you this gist. They went to Ozo, but Ozo came to me. So what do you have to say about that?
They are the one pursuing Ozo.
Yeah, and Ozo is the one pursuing
and Ozo
me.
is You have taken him.
My daughter, take. Ew! Izrumazu. Hi! Izutara water do mama even alakara. Do you want water?
I have water name.
Okay.
Chukwu okuko bia. Ka mba furu akpụkwụ m. Chileru aka elu.
Amen.
Chineke. Ow. Nwoke furu ụmụ ya n'anya. The God of heaven.
Amen.
You must take me out of this poverty.
Amen.
God, you know yourself that I have suffered so much.
Amen.
Amen. And for that reason, not even Olako or her daughter will stand on our way.
Amen.
Nem.
Mama.
Ruoro.
Yenika. Ma. There's a news I'm hearing, though it's unconfirmed.
What is that?
I heard that two ladies are fighting for your Ozo, claiming ownership of him. I even heard that he promised one of them marriage. I don't know how true it is, oh. Don't look at me like that. I told you I just heard.
Mama, see, I know that you have never liked Ozo. Okay, that's why you keep doing all these things, talking all this rumor here and there. Mama, please, there's nothing like that.
Well, like I said, I think there's an atom of truth in that news.
Mama, it can never be true. It can never be true. Ozo can never, for any reason, cheat on me. Mama, why are you always looking for every reason to discredit him?
It's okay. Let's wait and see how it will play out. It's just what I heard that I said. Let me let you know too. Like I told you, it's unconfirmed.
Man, come in.
Where are you going to? I don't know.
Imagine life without Superman. Some guys they can own you. Them go deny, say them no know you again. Them go deny, say they don't even know where you are from. Try, how can you run? Them go deny, say them no know you again. No. Why on my weight? Why on my weight now?
What is it?
How first of all, how can you see someone singing with such melody and you are passing without even clapping? Huh?
What's your problem? What is it? Why are you stopping me?
Why am I? You know I like you. I like you. That is why I stop you and I want to tell you the bogabo truth. You understand? I'm from the Raya.
What is it?
I swear I like you. I want to tell you the truth. You understand?
When did that start?
Hey, when did that? Okay, she doesn't think, oh, not that kind of liking. It's not what you think now. If I want to do that one, I have got to use it.
You have got to. If I slap you. Come on, talk. What's the problem?
I said it's not what you think. I like you. Don't even try to
Just get back.
This is.
It better not be what I think.
Ha! Look at this girl. She doesn't even want to know what I want to tell her. Hey! Conjuna bastard. You know when country is in your body like this, even when God called you to ministry, you will ignore God. Look at how she's rushing to this boy that is fake. I know that you are going to his house to go and collect your weekly service. Huh? Look at this idiot. You think it's that kind of likeness? That boy is fake. You people will not see me in this village. That boy will just use you and dump you. Dump you. You will not hear. So what zero? All of you be going and be collecting your weekly annual services. I will care about some. When it will happen, I will be there. I'm kind of present and present. I will answer present.
Shut up.
This is where he parks his car now. Where did he go? Maybe he went out? Could it be he has gone back to the city?
Mercilessly. She's contending with my beloved daughter Bianca over Ozo. Make her understand that Ozo belongs to my daughter and my daughter alone. No sharing in this case. You have to teach her a lesson she will never forget her entire life. I want to see the result of that dealing so that I will know you actually did it. Yes. Go immediately. No delay. Rubbish. That idiot has to be taught a lesson she will never forget in her entire life. Also belongs to my daughter, Bianca, and no one else. Not even useless Ebube that has no class or whatsoever. That girl will know that she's playing with fire.
You are a Guve, right?
What is the problem?
Now you be a Guve.
Yes, I'm a Guve.
Come, I want to tell you something. Stop seeing Ozo. Did you hear me? Stop seeing Ozo. Ozo belongs to Bianca. Waiting I talk, read my lips. Ozo belongs to Bianca. You see this matter, I can't follow you talk like joke. If it be joke today, but when it go happen again, I don't want to put it go happen. Don't hear me, right? Someone full stop, but they follow you talk in the car. What did they worry you? Hey, when I teach you, where they talk to you? Oh my God, after what did happen now? When I show this girl, don't you beg?
Please stop my hand!
I want to make that face. Wait, man, damage that face. I don't see again. Break her eye. Damage this face. Wait, you don't see again. Don't worry. They're going to talk video on her.
Thank you. Thank God I met you at home.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, and you?
Fine. Welcome, come and sit down.
How is Mama?
Mama went out. Come, let's sit.
Fine girl.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you.
Just saw that she came to visit me early.
I just came to inform you that my introduction will be coming up next week.
Hey, you're getting married? Yeah. Hey, wow! I knew this. You're blushing. I knew there was something happening. Hi. Wow! Congratulations, my friend.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, who is this blessed man? Talk.
Okay, it's Collins.
Oh, hey. Didi, so you later accepted to marry him, eh?
Yes.
That's good.
You asked me to now.
Of course. Good for you.
Thank you.
Right. Well, I wish you good luck and everything good that comes with marriage.
Amen. So also hope you're going to be there.
In Ajukwa.
Mazim?
Hey, see, in fact, I will be the first person to appear there on that day. You know me now.
friend.
You know your friend now. Hey, hey. You will see me in the front, eh?
Yes.
You will see me in the front. I will represent you. Don't worry.
Trust you. That's my friend.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank
So
you.
you're taking my friend
again.
from me now.
Collins.
You say
Collins.
Collins.
So you say you don't want him now. So
Of
let me
course,
just
I
arrange
don't.
him well for you.
I know. Please take care of him. Take care. I'm happy for you.
And I pray that yours comes soon. Very soon you're going to tell me that your introduction is coming
You're
up.
saying it small, small.
I shut it.
But you know me. You're the only one that knows what's
I
up.
know. I just pray that the guy will just, of course.
He loves me, you know.
I can't avoid you now. You're too beautiful. There's no girl in this village now that can compare. Well, you do, you know. Alright, let me go that long. I have Woo! I like what I see. What do you think you're seeing?
Love, this is just the beginning. And trust me, you will go through more pains and agony.
Through more pain and agony. So, you actually think you've won? You have not. Did you hear what I said? I said you have not won. Because at the end of all this, I will come for you with full force. I promise you that.
I would love to go into battle with you.
Super amazing that my beautiful friend will want to go into battle with me. That's nice. It makes it super interesting. Because I will so crush you into shreds. I will crush you that no one, not even your mother, would recognize you. I will make sure you feel more pain, greater pain than I am feeling right now. It's a promise.
You cannot do anything.
You dare me. You dare me, Somto. That's nice. You know what? Because I don't back before I bite. I will bite you so deeply and make sure you go through even worse pain than I'm going now.
Loser! Go lick your wound and smash your head.
Good afternoon. Welcome, sir. How was your trip, sir?
It was fine.
Okay, sir. Your clothes?
Yes.
Yes. Already small problem there. The native up and down. Rain bitter.
No. Don't tell me that one. No. That's the most important cloth now.
I don't know. You know, say you travel now. You know the distance. You know, as rain they disturb us. It's been raining.
And I washed that clothes very well. You know, you even gave me something. I took my time, I washed it, but I spread it a day before yesterday. It fell. I had to rewash it. I washed it. Anytime I remember the amount of money you gave me extra, I do extra washing. So I washed it very well. It's just that let me just go and buy this hypo that we use in washing.
I gave you this clothes last week now. All these things you are saying, all these things, they enter here.
It's just that yesterday, let me quickly go and buy food and come back. And then rain fell and beat the clothes. I can take you to where we dry clothes. Even these ones, look at these ones. They are all
these things you are saying. When will I have my clothes now? When?
Tomorrow. When do you really need the clothes?
I need it tomorrow morning now. I need my clothes today. I have to go out tomorrow morning. I get event tomorrow morning.
What time?
12.
12, before 12, in fact, be here by 8. I'll open shop by 7:30. Before 8 is ready, I'll use iron to dry it up. 7:30, I mean, you can even come 7:45.
I don't want to hear stories.
No stories. As soon as I come into this shop tomorrow, your clothes is the first work I'll do. I'll iron it to be dry. I will start it anything.
Okay, it's okay. Practice on for me. You not try.
You not try. You know they do like that. Have I ever disappointed you?
You not try at all.
Have I ever disappointed you? I know they do like that. Now it's an unfortunate incident.
You not try.
I beg. Oga. No vex now. Huh? Why I never finish the continuity of the cloth, now you won't carry on. Huh? That cloth still has one more move. And then you can have your clothes. But before then, rain beat them. Okay?
If there's anyone that will stay away from Ozo, she's the one. She and her daughter. Hey. Two of you should stay away from Ozo.
Charlie, don't listen to empty barrel. Hey, Ozo has personally come with his kinsmen to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage.
Hey. My fellow women. Have you ever heard that Ozo went to her house to marry her daughter? Are you know that her daughter is marrying Ozo? Are you in our munna? How did you know? Leave me. What is it? Ozo is my son-in-law. And I'm the one that is Ozuko. It's okay.
This young man also engaged my sister's daughter. Yes. Yes. That was why she left here angrily. Yes.
I foresee. It means that young man has been playing with the heart and feelings of our daughter.
Yeah, you are very, very correct. Yes, you are right. Yes.
Madam, from what is happening now, all of you are trying to say.
Wait, my fellow woman, wait. It means that you people are seducing also. Yes. Tell us. Are you not seducing also? Yes. I'm not sleeping with you. Why did you take my ring now? I took it because this ring never existed. I took it because you have been fooled. You have chosen to be stupid. Ginika, I took this ring because you want to make me a laughing stock. How, Mama? I don't understand. How can you understand? You will never understand. You will never understand, Ginika. Because you have chosen to be stupid. Ihere emechi. Ihere emechi. You don't come Mwamuloge. Ginika, don't show them Mwamuloge.
Mama, can you just give meaning to your words? Pico.
Of course I will. Your also is never real. Your also is never real. Ginika, that boy is a deceiver and I told you. He has been deceiving you girls in this village. 3 of you at the same time. I warned you. Also. Ginika, I warned you. I am your mother. And I told you that whatever I see lying down, even if you climb the tallest tree, you will never see it. You were busy dreaming. Seeing also in your dream. You are dream man. Also my love. You left Collins. That young boy that loved you. That young boy that cared for you, that want to make you his wife. You not let chase his shadow.
Mama, also, my Ozo deceiving me and other girls in this village. My Ozo. Mama, please, I still cannot make out anything from what you're saying.
I will explain to you. As you can see, I'm just coming from a CWO executive meeting. And your Ozo was topic of the day. Your Ozo was topic of the day. In fact, Ozo scattered the meeting. Because of Ozo, we could not arrive at anything in that meeting today.
Mama, what did Ozo do to you people in this village?
Your Ozo gave 3 girls this same engagement ring. You, Bianca, and Debube. He has been fooling you people all around.
Mama, no, that is not possible. No. It's not possible, Mama.
Idi can see you onye nyulia. Idi can see you onye nyulia.
No, Mama.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Who cares? Oh, you're making this. How will you believe you're making this? Oh, you're going to give me
Mama, don't tell me that all you just said now is true.
Of course it's true.
So Ozo has been lying to us all this while. He's been playing us.
Yes, he deceived us with his flamboyant lifestyle.
Hey.
You
must pay for this. Ozo must have to pay for all he has made me go through. What is this now?
That is exactly what I have in mind. He must pay.
The problem is, how do we begin to deal with him? How do we deal with him? He's not a good man.
We'll kill him.
Yeah? No? Kill?
Yes.
Has he gotten to that?
It has gone beyond that. For him toying with the heart of my precious daughter, I will do everything I have. I will do everything possible to make him pay, including killing him.
Mama, listen, there are other things we could do to him now. If we kill him now, his blood will be on our heads. So it is better we lock him up with the police. Let him remain there for a very long time. Is it not better?
Don't tell me you still feel something for him.
I don't feel anything for him, but I just don't want to kill anybody.
As far as I'm concerned, also is already dead.
Okay, let me try again. Hey. So Ozo has refused to pick my calls. I've been calling him since. He doesn't want to take my call. Okay? No problem. Let this not just be true. Let it not just be true, because this village will not contain us. So each time he remembers to come back to this village, he will just run away. Let it not just be true. He cannot toy with someone like me. Huh? People in my name.
Walking. You've been calling me Ebube. Okay, now I'm stopped. I want to ask you something. Oh yeah, ask me. What is it? Please, don't be offended by the question I want to ask you. Ginika, ask me the question. I will leave you and go out. It's okay. Yes. As a matter of fact, our wedding is coming up very soon. And you will be invited. Eh? It's again. Do you have any problem with that?
No, I don't. Hi.
Wow.
Congratulations, though.
Thank you so much. Like I said, you will be invited. So, can I go now? Yeah. I will.
Once again, welcome, servers.
Thank you, Ozo.
We were expecting you next weekend, boss.
Yeah, something emergency came up and I needed to come back to take care of it.
Oh, I hope there's no problem.
No problem. Yeah, also, one more thing. I will be employing a secretary at the laundry to assist you, right? I need to relieve you of some duties there.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So when we get home, we'll sit down, I'll explain things to you, right? Please, you need to.
Alright.
Okay. So how's it been going?
Oh, so business has been good. It's just Oga Tony that the other guy bounced the shirt, but we've sorted it out. He said since it's you, we should just let it go.
It's okay, I will talk to you. Also, get my stuff. Okay. Um, 3 cartons of champagne.
Cartons. Oh. Champagne.
Yeah. And 2 cartons of whiskey.
Another 2 cartons.
Yes.
2 cartons of whiskey.
2 cartons of red wine.
All 2.
Yes.
2 cartons of red wine.
There are 4 cartons of beer. You have to mix it up, right? Lager, stout, all that. Yeah.
Okay. 4 cartons of different beer.
And some soft drinks.
Nice. Soft drinks.
Yes. That'll be all.
Oh, that's all?
Yes.
How about bottled water?
Oh. Water, okay.
Thanks.
Some cartons of water. Maybe 5 or something. Yeah.
5 packs of bottle water.
That's all for now.
Okay, that'll be but
yes.
Boss, please don't be angry. What are we celebrating?
Oh, I didn't tell you.
No.
A cousin of mine is going for the wife's introduction on the 27th of this month. That's the last Friday of the month, right? So this is my own support.
Boss, you're always generous.
It's when God blesses you, you have to bless people around you.
Exactly. Just like you're blessing me.
Yeah, boy. I will transfer 400,000 naira to your account, okay? Use part of the money to sort these things out, and then the remaining one, keep it, use it to run the house.
Of course, I'll give you proper accounts when I come back.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Uncle. Uncle, good evening. I'm fine. Well, thank God. Uncle, how is the preparation going? I understand, I know. But it's okay, I'm going to support, right? I have actually instructed my boy on what to do, so I'm going to take care of some drinks. Thank you very much. Uncle, that's why we're family, support each other, right? I know. Thank you. Good night, sir. All right, sir.
Reality is done on you now. It's no longer your dream that's always come to pass. Have you seen yourself? You are not a good pretender.
Ma, how do you mean?
Cry. Cry it out. Cry on, my daughter. Cry out your stupidity.
I'm not crying, Mama.
Ginika, cry out your stupidity and foolishness. Cry out your sorrow. Cry out your sorrow. Cry. Go ahead. Cry on. Ginika, cry. Baby.
I'm not crying.
You are not crying. Have you seen it? Have you seen yourself? When I told you that whatever elder sees sitting down, that you as a child, if you climb the tallest tree, you will not see it. Did you believe me? Oh my God. If you thought I was deceiving you, so I, your mother, will deceive you. Eh? So you think I Ginika. If you again, maybe go.
Mama, forgive me. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for not listening to you. Mama, he deceived me.
Yes, he deceived you. You allowed him to deceive you. What were you thinking? When I told you to leave that boy,
Mama, I loved him.
He never loved you. Did he love you? He never loved you. Yes, you were thinking that I hate the boy. I did not hate him, but there is something in me from day one. Something in me told me that that boy is not real.
Mama, Biko, can you help me talk to Collins, please?
Yeah. You cannot eat your cake and have it.
Mama, I can make amends.
How is it possible? Collins' traditional introduction. Collins' introduction is coming up next weekend.
Mama, Collins listens to you.
He listens to me, but I don't know where to put my mouth to tell him this one.
Mama, put it anyhow. This is for me.
Listen to me. If finally you have come back to your senses, welcome back. No time is late for marriage. Now, it's done on you that you have lost Collins. Also, is nowhere to be found. So, if you now make up your mind to live a better life, and change what is chasing you, and forget about all this if you now go up and down, good for you.
Oh, Mama, this is my time. Mama, this is my time.
Mama, this is my time.
Mama, talk to God.
Also, brother, how are you?
I'm fine, no, brother. Oga said I should bring you foodstuffs and then money.
Foodstuff?
Yes.
For me?
Yes.
Money?
Yes. It's in the car. I brought them out just for
Hey!
All for you.
All this for me?
All for you. And then,
where's the money?
So that I should give you this 30,000. I was going to your place.
Are you serious?
Yes.
God will bless him.
God will bless him.
God will bless him.
He just want to take this to my brother. He kept saying it. If my brother needs 30,000,
God will bless him.
The fool is in this village. This is the time to strike.
So, how best do you want it?
I want him dead.
Consider it done.
Mama, but the job will cost you some money.
Like how much?
Mama, it will cost you 50k.
I like that. If you go for this mission and perfect it, come back with an evidence that is a job well done, I'll give you 100,000.
I love it when you sound like this.
I don't like talking too much. I believe in action. You know what I'm capable of doing.
I trust you, ma. I trust you.
Mama, as far as I'm concerned, that guy is dead already. You have nothing to worry about.
That is the only language I want to hear. So go ahead and do it. Remember, no traces at all. No mistakes. I do not want to hear you made one single mistake.
Mama, you don't have anything to worry about. This is our calling. No trace.
So go ahead.
Mama, discharge.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do we still have any doubt that that fool was just catching cruise with us? Huh? The best thing now is revenge. Nothing less. Without asking for revenge, I know that I will do something very bad to that guy. I will not miss it.
That means you are in.
100% in. How about you, Ginika?
Me? Girls, just calm down. The best question we should ask ourselves now is, how do we want this revenge to look like?
Anything short of killing him will not be acceptable to me.
Calm down. We don't need to go that far. We don't need to take his life. We don't just.
Are you alright? I beg. What do you think it will be? Whatever decision that is taken here is acceptable by me. If you people say kill him, me, Ebube, I will be in line. Whatever thing we decide here, I'm good.
I would suggest we capture him, break his 2 legs and his 2 arms.
Look, Choma, are you daft or something? It's like you're happy with what he did to you, Abi. This guy used you, finished you. What that guy did to us is far worse than breaking his legs and hands or whatever. This guy made me lose Collins. My best friend is marrying Collins. Hey, Chimo.
You are talking of Collins.
Hey, look at my face. Are you guys not seeing my face? I've been saying this. Look at my face, my whole body, my life. I couldn't walk for 1
I'm
week.
not saying we should not take revenge, girls.
Please forget it.
Killing him is not the best option.
Listen. That is what we're going to do. And let me tell you something. Look. You know what? I'm tired of this. Forget about this all this conversation, okay? I will handle him personally.
No. I say no to that, Ginika. No. This is not a personal agenda. I will not accept that.
I mean, this guy dealt with us collectively. This is a collective effort and we will have to deal with it collectively.
As long as we're on the same page.
Good. As to the type of revenge we met out to him. Please, I need you girls to tell Bianca this thing we have decided here.
No, you tell her. And when telling her, make sure you do not convince her to think otherwise, because I already see you're beginning to chicken out.
We all have to be on the same page. We have to be on the same page, girls.
Okay, yes. No problem.
Where is he?
But he's gone. That guy don't move.
How do you mean he's gone?
You can only run, but you cannot hide. Let's go.
Also, thank God they did not meet you at home. Thank God.
How do you know? How do you know that some men are after my life?
Forget how I knew. The most important thing is that you need to leave this village right now. You're no more safe.
What have I done? Who is after my life?
Bianca's mother.
What?
You don't know that woman. That woman is very powerful. And she can go to any length to achieve her heart desire.
Why are people like this? Why is she such an ingrate after everything I've done for that woman? Huh? I give her money, I placed her on salary. There is no day I don't give her. Yes, I give her a lot. I was even planning to bring down that cubicle and build her something magnificent.
Don't build it again.
Huh?
Don't build it.
Do you know how much I'm expecting? I wanted to give her like $5,000 this month. Yes, now I want to spoil the woman.
Don't give her. She's wicked.
Goodness. Huh? After everything, I was even planning to, arrange, even if it's a small shopping plaza. She can manage. I was willing to do a lot for her.
Don't do it again, also. Don't do it.
So, why is she after my life?
There is no need to know why. The most important thing is that you leave. Leave.
Goodness, why are people like this? You do good, they try to repay you with evil. Why is this world like this, Paul? Well, it can only be you, man. I always appreciate it. Each time you do something from. Let me quickly make a transfer to you.
2-0.
What kind of country is this? Look at with all the money inside, I can't even transfer anything. So look at there's no network. Huh? Well, you can find a place to change dollars, right?
I fit fine. All this brutal change.
I left it at home.
Because you are in a hurry.
You read minds.
Yeah.
You read minds. You read
also,
minds.
you na my G. If you enter town, I go forward my details.
Good.
Give you.
You know what? I'll just make it double.
Hey,
whatever I'll make it double. I'll make it double.
My G! I beg, come on.
Yes.
On.
Move.
Come on.
That's the word. Move. We move. We move. Bianca's mama.
Is he dead now?
Not yet.
Why? We all agreed we are going to kill him. What happened?
Mama, before we reached here, the guy don't work out. The guy has escaped.
That means people couldn't do it.
Mama, that guy will only run. He can never hide from us. Not in this village.
Are you sure you people can do this?
Mama, that one has small challenge now. Yeah? It's a small challenge to us. Just give us more time. We will take him out of the way. Matter will be history later.
No problem, I'll be waiting.
Also, it's in this village right now.
Good. When do we attack?
This evening.
Let's
do it this evening to be better. Okay. Let's do it now that he's here once and for all.
Okay. So, what of Bianca?
Because Bianca doesn't have mind for this kind of thing.
I thought as much. I felt I was the only one that observed.
Don't mind her. Just be doing nothing, no power. Leave her, we'll do our thing ourselves.
Okay, so this evening we'll meet here, then march to his house. Yes.
It's kill me. I've said my own.
Even me, what I will do to him.
I don't want to do anything. It's just to kill him. Oh yeah, nothing will remain. Okay. This evening, meet me. Same place. Good. Let me know wait.
I will be here before you.
Let me know wait though.
Why, Ozo?
Why what? I don't understand.
What don't you understand? Why have you messed yourself up so much in this village? Why have you been cheating on me?
I am not cheating on you.
There he goes again. You're still lying? You think we don't know? You think you can lie forever? Well, for your information, my mother has discovered that you engaged Ginika and promised a marriage. She has sworn to kill you. In fact, everyone is angry at you. You know why? You're a terrible person. But I don't even know what is wrong with me. I think I'm the only one that doesn't want you to get hurt. Secondly, all the women you have deceived, you've slept with, promised marriage and took their money, they are after you. They want to bring you down by all means. I don't even know why I'm here. I could have single-handedly dealt with you because you engaged me, promised me marriage, took my money, slept with me, but nothing to show for it. You have just been lying all along, playing me, playing everyone. Listen, let me tell you, if you know what is good for you, take yourself, carry your bags and leave this village. If not, you might be a dead man before tomorrow.
First, I want to say I'm sorry. I know that I hurt you and I did a lot of terrible things to you. I just want to say I am sorry. Truthfully, I regret all my actions, but not like I meant all those things I told them. I only told them what they wanted to hear. But I'm sorry. I want you to find it in your heart to forgive me. For this information that you have given me, you have proven that you are far different, and I will continue to cherish you for the rest of my life. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I wish you well. Goodbye.
What kept you now?
Sorry, I had to make sure my mother was asleep before leaving the house.
Okay, no problem. So, we're still killing him, Abi? That is the decision. If it has not changed.
Nothing.
I don't want to hear another thing, no.
See, nothing short of that.
Let's go.
Guys, get what I want to know like this now. To dey go that guy house this night, it no go make sense at all. They make that move, it no make sense.
So why do you think so?
Why I think so, we say, you know this vigilante is our community. They no go allow us make the barrow.
But we'll go give those guys excuse now. I don't understand. We'll give them excuse now.
To give them excuse no go make any sense, because if we work out like this in group now, they will suspect us.
So what do you want me to come do now for the matter? As you don't be like this now.
What you go do, we say, very early in the morning, go move, go in house.
How? Very early. This guy go come out this night. He go leave this village this night. What did they talk?
Yes, wait, make I talk. Sense there for waiting this my guy talk. Very early in the morning, we will go to the guy house, go track him. By that time, he still sleep. He no go know say we don't already get something from Pele against him. So before you go make any move, we will not track him down. So we could go with the idea.
And so it be. I still never want to see one move. I lie.
I'm confused because he always parks that car
This is
here.
where he always parks.
You know what? I'm trying to think out of the box. Who would have told us about this? Because that is the only reason he's not here. Yeah, but nobody knows. Hey, it better not be the person I'm thinking of. It better not be.
Who else will it be now?
Hey, is it not three of us that made this plan? So who else?
Ozo thinks he's smart, Abi.
After breaking my heart.
You say your hand, look at my eyes now.
Making the whole village laugh at me.
Are you not seeing my eyes?
My hand everywhere. Ozo will never go scot-free. Ne, we will go and we'll come back. It's not about going and coming back. We will re-strategize. We will go back and re-strategize. Because he cannot go scot-free. For what? For what now? You see your heart? Are you not seeing my eyes? Okay.
Ake Uchonwa title is out for picking. I'm interested, you know. After this one, we all will be rich. Huh? You know, let's just go to the village and acquire this title. If I become Ake Uchonwa 1, you already know what it means.
So man, I feel like say you drink. Which brand you drink today? You expect us to follow you go back to that village after all the things where they do us, use us as your boy. No single respect. We just they drive you. I turn driver. Casey turn doorman. They open door up and down. All those your girls they insult us anyhow. Imagine that one they talk say why we not allow enter inside house. Yeah? I not go that village again. I no feel near there. Casey Alpha.
You see as for me, I go nowhere.
Bob.
I am not going to any place with you again. See that village? I don't go anywhere. You told us that we should accompany you to the village. You reach there, you begin to insult us. That girl, they tell me open door, close door, come out. You shout for me because of money. They fuck up anyhow. You, they fuck up anyhow. Now you call me now, they tell me make I follow you go back to village, maybe go collect 20 Bianca. You they run all those girls for village. You know if we pass anyone give us, we just they look you. They receive the whole insult to the inside. They come there, they tell me say make I follow you, go collect akakene.
Imagine.
See, if I say your head is skip. If I say your head is skip.
That's how our guy dream pito.
It doesn't CJ. Listen guys, it's part of the format.
Which format? CJ, I better come up for you. Which format?
We've almost come to the end. Please. Been friends for a while now. This is the jackpot time and you want to abandon me. Listen guys, let me tell you the good news. As soon as I get this Ake Uchonwa 1, government will recognize me. I will be given an office right there in Aso Rock. So you imagine what it means when you have a friend in Aso Rock. It means our problems are solved. We will be made. This is the last move. As soon as I become Ake Uchonwa 1, you think I will ask you to come open doors for me? No, I am going to give you secretary. What did I say?
Secretary.
Aha! So no one sees me without passing through you. So you know the egunje way you go to chop for gate. If you want to see your guy. So in that way, we are all made. Do you agree with me? Yeah. Just this last move. Just so I can be installed Ake Uchonwa 1. As soon as that is done, we are made. How you like it now?
Ake
Uchonwa 1.
Also billion.
Ake Uchonwa and friends will move. Huh?
Also. What is it?
I've been purging yesterday and I have this severe cough.
So when that one starts?
Last night, sir.
Have you had some medication?
No, sir. Not yet.
You see, there's this meeting I wanted you to attend with me. But it's okay. Have you had some medication?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Get yourself proper medication, okay? We have a trip to make and we're spending days. So I want you to be fine and ready for that trip. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Alright. So where's the car key?
It's on the center table in the living room.
Okay, that's fine. One more thing. Make sure you see a doctor.
I promise I will.
Fine.
Since we don't kill him, sir, I was just having flu and cough. Idiot. Wait a minute. At the same time, I am trying to get this chieftaincy title. This man wants me to embark on a trip with him. No. Nothing will stop me from getting that chieftaincy title. Not today. Not tomorrow. Not ever.
Majesty. Hello, Your Majesty. I am very well, Your Majesty. Okay, go ahead, Your Majesty. Oh, I'll be there, Your Majesty. Okay, my Majesty, I'll be there, Majesty. Awesome.
Sir.
What's going on? You're not ready yet.
Boss, I woke up earlier. I already took my bath. I just wanted to dress up and the next thing, I started feeling feverish. My whole body aches, serious headache. My temperature is hot. My mouth is bitter. I think it's fever.
What is wrong? I told you to go to the hospital. Why do you always like self-medication?
I don't want to bother you. I thought maybe it's just something that would just come and go. I didn't know that it would knock me off like this.
So I have to go to the village all by myself now.
I'm sorry, boss. Let me see if I can manage.
No,
boss. Boss, don't worry. Let me manage and drive you.
You cannot drive me like this, okay?
Let me manage.
No, wait. Stay back. I have to run now because I'm coming back tomorrow. Eh?
Okay, sir.
Also,
Yes, sir.
go to the hospital and take care of yourself.
I will, please. Okay.
That's fine.
Please, boss, drive carefully.
I will.
Please. Hi.
For grando, mago life, you know they pay. Mago life, you know they pay. Wuru life, I say you know they pay. Wuru life.
Ozemena.
But interested to know that I knew all your plans, all your schemes. All I am sick, my stomach is swollen, all the pretense. Are you this mean? Are you this heartless?
Ozemena.
Sir?
Worthy son of the soil. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Odogu.
Your Excellency.
Both of you know each other.
Come inside, let us begin the celebration!
Let's go!
Your Highness, I'm sorry, but we need to sort some things out. Like I heard you call him worthy son of the soil.
Yes. What's up doing?
I have not seen this kind of wicked species of a human being in my life. This boy here is an embodiment of cheats, deceit. He's a thief. He's heartless, he's mean. He's a 419, he's fraud.
Oh, he's also doing.
He's also. What are you talking about, Your Highness? This ungrateful wretch to help his life. I brought him close to myself. He lives right in my house, not in the boys' quarters. He eats what I eat, drinks the water I drink. But what did he do? I set up a laundry services for this idiot to manage. And I didn't tell him I wanted to settle him with it. And he went on mismanaging it, embezzling funds, messing with customers. Every day is one complaint or the other. Every day is one trouble or the other. I kept receiving complaints.
So, guy, how have you been preparing for Mark Jones' marriage?
Me, Mark Jones?
Yeah.
Trying to prepare.
Nah, you see that clothes we bought? Now that clothes follow. Now I go wear. I will wear that clothes.
Guy, you know I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed. I gave my clothes to Ozo. You know Ozo now? Ozo, the laundry boy.
What happened?
I gave him my clothes to laundry for me. Ozo wore my clothes. He wore my clothes. When he brought it, I could not even recognize it. You know, I wore that clothes just once. I wore it for a child education. And after that, I gave him to laundry for me that I will use it for an occasion like this. Ozo fucked me up. Ozo used my clothes. When he brought it back, I could not even recognize my clothes anymore. See that boy?
Now I see. Now I see why people have been complaining concerning giving that guy clothes to dry clean for them.
I was so angry, brother.
Bros, even where I was coming from, even two guys were complaining concerning Ozo, saying the clothes they gave to him is now missing.
Can you imagine?
Bros, next is that I wonder why these dry cleaners do this. You could imagine that is the same thing that happened to the dry cleaner close to my shop.
You mean Godwin now?
Thank you. Godwin.
Yes.
Do you know that Godwin went to wear the clothes belonging to a military officer in rank?
Ijoku.
Could you imagine the kind of stupidity? Nearly. I pity that guy.
Yeah.
But you know what? I will advise you, bros. Don't give that guy your clothes again. If any other thing will happen to
do it
you.
again next time.
Nah, bros. Come
So
on,
that
give me a
now, let me
drink.
just
Come
go
on,
and,
come on, buy
eat
me a
one or two
drink.
things.
Let's leave.
Let's go and
Hello.
Good day, sir.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Please, can I have my clothes? I brought them here about 2 days ago.
Okay, sir, I remember.
What the fuck is going on? I brought my clothes here and you guys promised me to be ready today. That is my traditional wedding attire, for Christ. Tomorrow is my wedding. Or did you sell my clothes?
Sir! Why would you say such a thing? We don't sell clothes here.
Then give me my clothes. Or else I pull this place down.
That's a customer's clothes.
Are you mad? Are you insane?
Just hold on, let me call my boss. Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello?
A customer is here creating a scene.
Better be fast because I'm waiting. I will not leave this shop until you give me my clothes or I leave with these ones. I think if it's delaying, I'll better go with these ones.
So you can't go with them.
Something wrong with you.
What is going on here? What is it?
Is this your van?
Yes, it's my boss. Sir, this man brought his clothes here 2 days ago and we washed it that same day. Yesterday I saw Ozo ironing the clothes which he packed in a nylon, but as we speak we can't find it.
Wait, you saw Ozemena ironing the clothes here in this shop?
Yes, sir. He didn't spend much time. He packed some of the clothes that he wants to do home delivery.
Okay, bro, I'm really sorry for what happened, okay? This could be a mix-up. Since he went to do some delivery, probably he took your clothes along. Okay, so let's just calm down and see. Iwe, it might interest you and the elders to know that all the drinks that Ozemena has been bringing to you people are stolen drinks. Oh yes.
No.
Nah, Igwe and Ndiche na ngoma ezulezu.
No.
Yes. Don't say that. Because I stock my bar with drinks. Expensive drinks. I'm sure he must have been bringing expensive drinks to you people. Yes. Oh yes. I stock my bar with drinks. He will steal them and go and do buga with my drinks. He will come here and be answering also billion with my drinks. Igwe, the heartbreaking part of this whole thing is that this boy has gone round the whole town telling them that I am his boy. That I am his boy. That I'm serving him. Imagine on one of the occasions I came to this village to supervise. No, the boys were sending me on an errand. Yes, that if I get home, I should tell my boss, this idiot, that the missus doings, that I cannot wait to see him again. Oh yes, one of them even went as far as telling me that they know I'm stingy. That even from the little my guy is giving me, I should give them small now.
What was all called this? Now so, hey, oh, All we know go fit us to do. The man with a lot of doings. The man will get doings. The only man with doings inside doings. Ah! Now wow.
Blair na him boy be this one. I mean, na him driver. Well done, bro. So, where your oga?
Where your oga dey now?
Why they look like that now? Where your oga? Just now, this now also motor business.
Sorry, abeg. You know we think say na also be this. Na him make we come. You understand? So as you come now, see say another person. Okay, if you go, tell am say we dey miss him doings.
Boys dey hungry for
street.
street.
Make come na.
Make us help us.
You know say get enough doings. Yeah.
Tell am say boys dey hungry. You understand? Make he still come still bless us. And we know say as he even dey now sef. Nothing today, and they say you want to see bless person with now. But anyhow, na still 1,500 still dey see us.
Boss, you don't do.
Oh, man, see wetin driver dey wear. See wetin drive, common driver.
Also, why? So, all this while, you've been playing on our intelligence. Children of nowadays, you don't have a atom of respect for elders any longer.
This one is belief of respect.
But, also, so this is how you were going to demolish my palace and build me an ultra-modern palace? This is how you are going to tar all the roads in the community and put street lights on them? The most painful part of his promises was that he was going to put an ATM machine in the palace. I don't even need to. I don't even need to. I don't even need an ATM card. I just mentioned also billions. I mentioned the amount and money will start coming. And I believed him. Also, where is the money? Where is the money?
Which money? Which money? Is it the money I give to him? How is it going to fulfill? Iwe, I am so sorry to interrupt you, sir. But you see these clothes? They are mine. And I'm here to collect them. Of course. Pick it up. There wasn't time. No. Move them. I'm moving them. This is my order. Pull everything. Pull it now. Wait, now let me take the cuff. Digital also. My brother, let me take off the cuff. Pull it out. Also, everything. Is it your gas cuff? First, you are talking. You are talking, right? No. Give me. Go. Sorry. Put it here. I blame you. I give you access to my room. That's fine. Digital also. Is the shoe yours? No, it's your shoe. Now pull it out, idiot. Pull it out. Drop it. What's I'm doing? Oh yeah, don't give me. Give me. You even wore my shorts. The one you're using to play ball. You reach that level?
It's easy to play ball. I thought you know anything. Please.
You be servant boy. When your master no
You are me. So because I didn't tell you
The laundry services must
Hey!
settle you. You mismanaged it. Where's my car keys?
Huh?
Where's my car keys?
Where is it? Wait, where's the car key?
Remove the singlet. I will watch you. Should I? Don't move fast. Don't move fast. Don't move fast. Put it here. Put it here. Put it here. Maya. Move. Where's my car keys?
Wait! Okay, this side.
Give it.
Is this side?
Get out from my car. You irritate me. Get out.
Lisa.
I slap.
Aki for grando. Mago life, you know they pay. Mago life, you know they pay. Wuru life, I say you know they pay. Wuru life, you know they pay. Mago life, I say you know they pay. Mago life, you know they pay. Corner life, I say you know they pay. But promise and fail. Now your second name. You go claim to be your guy, but you go run away. If I go Abba, I go buy you Abada. Fake it, promiscuous promise. When they come to pass. Mago life, you know they pay. Mago life, you know they pay. Wuru life, I say you know they pay.
Don't do this now, mercy. Igwe, they just tell Igwe some billions. Igwe! Hey!
Today, you be satisfied. When your master know that you go be all.
What are you have been promising me transfer? Every time you talk, it's not on your phone. Now look at what is happening.
He go carry you up, he go knock you for grando. Mago life, you know they pay. Mago life, you know they pay. Wuru life, I say you